Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters in Islam. My topic for this lecture is Tawakkul, reliance on Allah. Tawakkul ala Allah, reliance on Allah. First and foremost, before you can have reliance on Allah, you must have al-iman billah, having faith in Allah. That is, you must have belief that it is only Allah that can give, it is only Allah that can take. You must have belief, and you must have aqidah, that is at-tawheed, that is good aqidah about Islam. So you must have iman, full iman, before you can have tawakkul. And Allah said in Quran 65 verse 3, Allah said, وَيَرْزُقُهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بَالِغُ أَمْرِهِ قَدْ جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرًا. Allah said, وَيَرْزُقُهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ, and I'm going to provide for him or her. وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ. He said, whoever rely on him is going to sustain him. As whoever rely on Allah, Allah is going to sufficient for that person. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. That is all your issue, all your problem, rely it only on Allah, because Allah is our creator. Any issue, don't try to ask anything from creator, human beings, because if you ask something from human beings, sometimes if you ask something from human beings, they will not give you. But Allah, if you ask something from Allah, Allah will surely give you. So let us have tawakkul, reliance on Allah. And sometimes, if we are in a hardship time, we should try to steadfastness in Allah, because Allah said, وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَالْأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ. Allah said He's going to test us with hunger. That is, He's going to test us in decrease of wealth. As if all these things has come, we should rely on Allah. Let us look at Prophet Yunus alayhi salatu wasalam, when he was preaching to his people. Then he fell in the river of the water. Then whale swallowed him. When he got into the belly of the whale, he remembered Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by saying, La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. That is, any problem we are, let us put Allah first in it. So my people, any problem we are facing, we should rely it to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because it's the only one that can take us, that can solve all our affairs. So may Almighty Allah accept our worship as an act of ibadah. If you see this video, then share it, save and share to your brothers, and follow for more. Ma'assalam.